Hi everyone, in today's how-to video I'll tell you how you can manage objects in Microsoft PowerPoint using the selection pane. And this is an important topic for me, very useful for me as well. I work in the marketing space, right, and work with presentations day in and day out. And a lot of times I work with complex slides as well, and then I'm showing you such an example here, right, wherein there are multiple objects. In fact, there are some object behind the rectangular object that I've shown here, and the text that you see here, right? And I want to, let's say, I want to work with the objects that are behind that behind the current object, right? And this is probably the call to action for that particular slide, and this will animate at the very end. You'll first explain what is there on the slide, and then this is probably the call to action. So what you need to do is to work and open the selection pane. Go to select on the home tab and click on selection pane. Selection pane is really a very powerful tool in that it allows you to manage the objects in multiple ways, right? So for first example, let's say if I want to edit some of the text that is there behind this particular rectangle, right? What I can do is I can just hide the rectangles, and you will be able to see all the various elements behind that. So if I want to, let's say, edit this, I can do that. Now all this without having to move the upper rectangular to make sure that I'm able to edit this, right? I mean, otherwise I would have to move the rectangle to the side or to the bottom, to the top, to come and edit it, right? So I can go and edit this, make changes, and once I'm done, I can just go and unhide and show all the rectangles again, right? So without having to keep moving, right? So it's really very helpful. So there's another way to open the selection pane, and that is to use Alt and F10, right? So instead of directly going and clicking on select and the selection pane, you can do that as well. Hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day.